In this video, I'll show you how to record audio on PowerPoint on your phone. So in the bottom right, press on the arrow that points up. That'll open up this menu. You want to come to the left and tap on Home, and then press on Insert. From here, scroll down and you'll see a button for the audio, and you have an option to either add an audio file directly from your phone, or you can record the audio. So we're going to press Record Audio, and then a microphone and a timer will appear. So to start your recording, you simply tap the microphone and you'll see that the timer continues, which means it's started. And to finish your audio, you simply tap the microphone again and then press Insert, and you'll see an audio symbol appears on your presentation. So if you don't want that to appear, you simply drag it out of view and it won't be included. So that's how to record audio on PowerPoint using your phone. Thank you for watching.